Mealime Nutrition Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get meal planning wrong. They rely on guesswork or random recipes. But you won't believe what happens next when you use a platform designed to simplify healthy eating. Mealime is a meal planning and nutrition app that helps users create personalized meal plans based on dietary preferences, restrictions, and goals. It offers recipes, grocery lists, and step-by-step cooking instructions to make healthy eating easier. The surprising truth about Mealime is how customizable it is. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, keto, or simply looking for quick weekday meals, Mealime generates meal plans tailored to your needs. You can adjust portion sizes, swap ingredients, and even plan for multiple people. Most people get this wrong. They assume meal planning apps are rigid or complicated. Mealime streamlines grocery shopping with organized lists and pantry tracking, reducing food waste and saving time. The platform is best for busy individuals, families, or anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet without spending hours planning meals. It's particularly useful for those with dietary restrictions or specific fitness goals. The surprising truth is that with Mealime, you can simplify meal prep, eat healthier, and enjoy variety without the stress of planning every detail. Subscribe for more honest reviews of nutrition and health apps to help you eat smarter and save time in the kitchen.